Where I think the profession is heading is some of the changes that are happening to the profession are going to cause innovation to happen. We have an aging population and a population that's getting more diverse in our profession. We have companies that are being much more innovative, which is causing us to make changes. And there's automation within our profession and outside that are going to force us to do things from an automation standpoint. I think all those are things that are going to have us respond. And then at the same time, they offer some significant opportunities to take advantage and offer new services, do things differently, maybe change the cost structure of the services that we provide. Whether you're working in a public accounting firm or whether you're working in an individual company. So if we talk about failure and innovation, I think of two different things. One is recognizing that failure is going to happen. And so if you're going to innovate and just know that that's the possibility of what you're doing and that you can learn from that. As a leader, I think it's important to create a safe environment for that and let people know we're doing something creative, we're doing something different. It might work, it might not work, which means we learn from it and move on. I think the other piece of that, the second half of that is then, if you're going to fail, can you minimize the impact of that failure in a way that might say, do I iterate in very small pieces and quickly, instead of thinking I've got the whole thing completely baked out and I want to move forward, but when it fails big. So that could look like applying a new idea to a very small part of the organization. If you're a firm, maybe it's a small number of clients, and check and see how it's working and iterate and get it good to where you're comfortable rolling it out after you have done that to minimize the impact of that failure.